My topic for the oral presentation is on the history of computer programming. Computer programming is the process of designing and building an executable computer program to accomplish a specific computing result. Programming involves tasks such as analysis, generating algorithms, profiling algorithms' accuracy and resource consumption, and the implementation of algorithms in a chosen programming language. The source code of a program is written in one or more languages that are intelligible to programmers rather than machine code, which is directly executed by the Central Processing Unit, or CPU. The purpose of programming is to find a sequence of instructions that will automate the performance of a task on a computer, often for solving a given problem. Proficient programming thus often requires expertise in several different subjects, including knowledge of the application domain, specialized algorithms, and formal logic. Tasks accompanying and related to programming include testing, debugging, source code maintenance, implementation of build systems, and management of derived artifacts, such as the machine code of computer programs. These might be considered part of the program process, but often the term software development is used for this larger process, with the term programming, implementation, or coding reserved for the actual writing of code. Software engineering combines engineering techniques with software development practices. The history of computer programming. Programmable devices have existed for centuries, as early as the 9th century. A programmable music sequencer was invented by the Persian Banu Musa brothers, who described an automated mechanical flute player in the Book of Ingenious Devices. In 1206, the Arab engineer Al-Jazari invented a programmable drum machine where musical mechanical automation could be made to play different rhythms and drum patterns via pegs and cams. In 1801, the jacket loom could produce entirely different weaves by changing the program. A series of pasteboard cards with holes punched in them. Code-breaking algorithms have also existed for centuries. In the 9th century, the Arab mathematician Al-Kindi described a cryptographic algorithm for deciphering encrypted code in a manuscript on deciphering cryptographic messages. He gave the first description of cryptanalysis by frequency analysis, the earliest code-breaking algorithm. The first computer program is generally dated to 1843 when mathematician Ada Lovelace published an algorithm to calculate a sequence of Bernoulli numbers intended to be carried out by Charles Babbage's analytical engine. In the 1880s, Herman Hollerith invented the concept of storing data in machine-readable form. Later, a control panel added to his 1906 Type 1 tabulator allowed it to be programmed for different jobs. And by the late 1940s, unit record equipment such as the IBM 602 and IBM 604 were programmed by control panels in a similar way, as were the first electronic computers. However, with the concept of the stored program computers introduced in 1949, both programs and data were stored and manipulated in the same way in computer memory.